Veracruz, Mexico, August 11, 2022. In Veracruz, a waterspout that grows into a tornado smashes the beach and scares away visitors. This phenomenon happened at 7:55 p.m. this Thursday on the beaches of the port of Veracruz. A waterspout tornado struck Villa del Mar Beach, scattering palapas, chairs, lounge chairs, tables, and anything else in its path. Residents of Veracruz posted pictures and videos of the occurrence on social media, surprising locals and visitors who were exercising or walking along the promenade. The phenomena had arrived in front of the beaches at Villa del Mar and was quickly decreasing. Authorities said that neither the waterspout's effects nor any injuries it caused were significant. In general, waterspouts are directed vertically, yet rarely they bend or tilt and pose a threat of damage because of the wind gusts they are accompanied by. Waterspouts can grow up to 2 kilometers in diameter and represent a danger to nearby ships by causing capsizes and potentially destroying the vessels. State Civil Protection reported that no serious injuries or damage of any kind were caused by the tornado that briefly touched down before weakening. Repairing the damage caused by this waterspout tornado on the beach took more than 12 hours. Thanks for watching.